Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another additional mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, we are answering question 3 right here. So this is a question that came in additional mathematics paper 2 for 2023 for internal candidates. So question 3, we have A and B. So we are going to start with question A. Solve the equations. So A, we have 6 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of x plus 2. So first thing, we are going to write the question. We have 6 raised to the power of x is equal to 3 raised to the power of x plus 2. So here we need to solve the equation by finding the value of x. Now, when you look at the bases, on the left-hand side, the base is 6. On the right-hand side is 3. So these two bases are different. So since the bases are different, how can we find the value of x? So what we are going to do here is that we are going to introduce the natural logarithm. So we are going to write ln of 6 raised to the power of x is equal to ln of 3 raised to the power of x plus 2. So once you write this, then you need to observe here. So you can see that we have ln of 6 raised to the power of x, of which here we can apply power of the power rule for logarithms. So what it means is that if you have ln of a raised to the power of b, so this one can be written as the b will be b times ln of what? A. So the same principle that I've used here is what I'm going to use to the left hand side and the right hand side. So this x will be x times ln of 6 is equal to x plus 2 times ln of 3. So I hope this is clear. Now, from this stage, what are we going to do? So what we are going to do from this stage is that we are going to focus on the right hand side here. So we can expand. So we are going to copy x times ln of 6 is equal to, so to expand here it will just be x times ln of 3 plus 2 times ln of 3. So we have expanded here by multiplying ln of 3 times x, again ln of 3 times the positive 2. This is what you get. So now from this stage, what are we going to do? We are going to put x times ln of 6, again x times ln of 3 on the left hand side because we have the common variable xx. So we are going to write x times ln of 6. So this is a positive, it will be a negative x times ln of 3, then is equal to 2 times ln of what? 3. So I hope here it's clear. Then from this stage, you can observe on the left hand side, you have x here, you have x here. So you can factor out. You can write x, open bracket, so you remain with ln of 6 minus ln of 3, then equal to 2 times ln of 3. Then from this stage, what are we going to do? From this stage, what are we going to do? So from this stage, what we are going to do is this. So we can observe that we have ln of 6 minus ln of 3. So you agree with me that when you look at the laws of logarithms, okay, so if you have something like this, you have ln of a minus ln of b. So because of the minus here, okay, and these ln, they are the same. So we can write this logarithm in division form. We can write ln, open bracket, a over b. So what I've done here is what I'm going to do here. So we are going to write x, okay, x times ln. So I'll express 6 divided by 3. Here, 6 divided by 3. So we write it in quotient form because of the minus here, according to this property of what? Logarithms. Then is equal to 2 times ln of 3. So now, here we can simplify, okay? So we can write x times ln. So 3 into 6, it's a 2. That's what you get. Equal to 2 times ln of 3. So we are going to divide here both sides of the equation because we want to find the value of what? Of x. So we're going to divide by ln of 2. Even here we divide by ln of 2. So this and this will cancel. Okay, then we are going to remain with x. So we are going to have x is equal to 2 times ln of 3 over ln of 2. So this is the value of x. Okay, this is the value of x. If you want to have the actual value for this, if you want to have the actual numerical value of x, okay, you can just press on the calculator. You can say x equal to, alright, so on the calculator, this is what we are going to get once we punch everything here. Okay, so you can just write x is equal to 3.169. okay, then we have 925, then 001, then 44. So we can just leave our answer x equal to, correct to 3 significant figures, 3.17. okay, so this is the exact numerical value of what? Of x. So we have answered this question, okay, which was question A. Let us now move on to question B. All right, so now here is our question B. Solve the equation log in the base of 6, then in brackets we have 18x plus 6 is equal to 2 plus log with the base of 6, in brackets we have 2x minus 5. So we can first write the question. So we have log the base of 6, in brackets we have 18x plus 6 is equal to 2 plus log the base of 6, then in brackets we have 2x minus 5. So we need to find the value of x. This question was carrying 4 marks. So what are we going to do? Okay, what is our first step? So our first step here, we need to observe. So here we have 2 plus logs with a base of 6 in brackets 2x minus 5. So this will take it to the left hand side so that we have log and this log to the same side so that you just remain with x. So we are going to write log the base of 6, then 18x plus 6. So this one is a positive, as you can see. When it comes to the left hand side, becomes a negative log with a base of 6. And then we have 2x minus 5 equal to what? A 2, because we have remained with these 2. Now from this stage, what's next? So the moment here you have observed this log and this log, they're having the same base, 6. Then here there is a minus. So don't forget the properties of what? Of logs. So here if you have log, okay, of m with the base of c minus log the base of n, then m. Once you have something like this, okay, see, the bases are the same and there is a minus here. Okay, so what do? It means you need to divide. So you say log the base of c, then m divided by m in this case. So the same principle that I've used here is what you are going to use that side. Okay, so here we'll say log the base of 6. Now here we have 18x plus 6, okay, over, we divide 2x minus 5. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then equal to 2. This is what you get. Then from this stage, what's next? So from this stage now, this what you have is the logarithmic equation. So you can change from logarithmic equation to exponential form. So to change this, we are going to write this 18x plus 6 over 2x minus 5. Okay, so we are going to write 18x plus 6 divided by 2x minus 5 equal to, so this base for the log, which is 6, becomes the base here, 6. Then this 2, which was the answer here, becomes the exponent, which is the power, like this. Okay, that's how we express it. So we are going to have 18x plus 6 divided by 2x minus 5, then is equal to 36, because 6 squared gives us 36. So from here, we can divide here by 1, then we cross multiply. So we are going to get 18x plus 6 is equal to, then 36 we multiply with 2x and 5. So 36 times 2, this will give us 72x, minus, again we need to multiply 36 times 5, 5 times 6, it's a 30, so we write a 0, we carry a 3. 5 times 3 is 15, plus that 3, 18. So meaning that 5 times 36 gives us 180. Then from here, what are we going to do? We can collect the like terms. So you can say 18x minus 72x is equal to negative 180. This positive 6 will go here, it will be negative 6. Or if you want, you can get this 18 comes here, this negative 180 goes this side. It's fine. Whatever case, you get the same the same answer. Okay? Yeah. So we are going to have 18x take away 72x. Okay? 18x take away 72x. This will give us a negative 54x equal to, so 180 minus 6, this will give us negative 186. So we are going to divide by negative 54. Even here we divide by negative 54, because we want to find the value of x. So you can see this and this will cancel, remain with x equal to, so this negative and this negative will cancel. Then we are going to have we have 186 divided by 54. Okay, so now we can just simplify. We write therefore x is equal to, so the highest common factor of 186 there, we can divide. Okay, 186 divided by 54. Once we reduce this, we are going to get 31 over a 9. Once we do the reduction, so the value of x is equal to 31 divided by 9. Remember, this is additional mathematics paper 2. You are entitled to use a calculator there. So that is our correct answer. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mrenga. Bye bye.